I land on it, I'm kind of resting. It's like a boxer kind of hangs out in the corner to get their wits back. So I got time to think.
So welcome to another video in my series on what I learned from the jazz and improvisational master guitarist, Julian Lage. Take a sec to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll get notified about new videos, or you can start right at the beginning here. You're going to find out about the classes I took and about Julian's career and some of what makes him so special. Okay, so today's video is 2 simple practice tips. They get right to the heart of what it takes to become a better guitarist more quickly. So let's jump in. Okay, quick tip number 1, practice in private. So the idea here is to practice where no one else can hear you. And the reason is just to eliminate all the fear and self-consciousness of making mistakes. Because mistakes are the only way to learn. I mean, I keep making videos like this one about how we guitarists need to be supportive of each other and non-judgmental, so each of us can just learn to express ourselves to the max and share our best with the world. Well, Julian reminded me that we all have to suck consistently, over and over, every single time we practice, because it's the only path to improvement.
I used to do that a lot, 60-minute kind of sprints. And you get in like the first minute, you're like, I rule. This is so cool. Like, and then like you're 5 minutes in and you're like, this is gonna suck for the next 55 minutes.
And hearing that from a master like Julian really makes any and all criticism of one guitarist by another truly seem absurd. So just stick to your practice plan, and maybe greater privacy will help you take more risks so you can learn even faster. I'd love to know, how important is privacy to you when you're practicing? Tell me in the comments. Okay, quick tip number 2, be here now. Sounds like spiritual advice. It is. Like when you're learning a new piece and you keep stumbling over a difficult section, you might find yourself anticipating the coming problem or challenge, right? So Julian's dad once told him, whatever's meant to kick your ass will kick your ass. You don't have to seek it out. So to pre-worry about the tough part that's coming up is actually going to stunt you, because what you envision tends to become reality. If you anticipate stumbling, you're more likely to stumble. So the solution is really to trust yourself and don't think too far ahead. Don't allow yourself to. So instead, remind yourself to be here now. It's a message of the spiritual gurus like Ram Dass. You know, stay in the moment of the notes you're playing. That focus is going to help you glide more smoothly through any musical passage and challenge. I mean, you may or may not play it perfectly, but being here now actually gives your music the benefit of immediate focus, and that's the best you can do at any moment in time. So does that resonate for you? Leave a comment and share your own experience, please. I'd love to know. So there you go, 2 more lessons from Lage. and they just keep coming. I'll be back next time with more, but for now, try this.